Need to permanently block someone on WhatsApp on your iPhone? By doing this, you can stop them from messaging or calling you forever. Well, don't worry folks, in this video I'll show you how to permanently block someone from WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap Chats. Now press and hold on to the contacts you want to block. Now scroll down the pop-up. Tap Block. Again, tap Block. Step 2. Open up the phone app. Tap Contacts from below. Now find the contact you want to block. Tap on the contact name. Scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap Block Caller. Tap Block Contacts, and he's permanently blocked. This is how you can permanently block someone on WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.